We live on a 46-foot sailboat. We were going to be transporting doctor and nurse teams into some of the most remote islands in the South Pacific. Some of those areas will only see outsiders maybe once or twice a year. So we landed in Guatemala. COVID said not going any further, and I taught myself 3D printing. I think we're the only boat-based prosthetic printing operation in the world at this point. And we saw a need, and we felt like that was an open door. It's tight.
I bet it is.
We've done something like 28 prosthetics in 5 months, and the volume is picking up. We now have 2 machines, may have a third on the way, and this is probably a lifetime commitment for us in our retirement.